Hello everyone, my name is Dhiman and I am representing Group 11 for our semester final project. Our project is an application named Campus Pathfinder Plus where we use data structures to make an application which helps students and all others navigate the campus much more easily by finding the shortest path. In order to use our application, first we have to go to our GitHub page like this. Then we have to download our zip file. It takes a couple seconds to download it. It's not a big file, so it won't consume much space. So once it's downloaded, we open File Manager, and on the downloads file here we have our zip file. Our next step is to right click on the mouse, then left click on Extract All, and then extract here. We can also use the browse file to make our new folder or store it somewhere else for convenience. So I'll just extract here for demonstration purposes. It takes a couple seconds to extract, but it does not take long. And it's done. Okay, so we go in this file, there is another file, and once we're in the file, I'm going to give you some information about what's in here. So this is the campus map. This is basically the map of the campus, which we use as a background, which helps the user know where they are and where they want to go. This, for our project, we're using the Dijkstra's algorithm, which is very convenient and easy to use and very efficient. Here you can see this is the graph. This is the C++ source file where we implement our data structures that we have learned in our class. This is the main file. This is the README. And these are the nodes, and these are the edges that will help us implement our data structures. This is the font that we're using on the application. Now, in order to open the application, we have to left click twice on the build file. And here we can see that on the build file, we have our release file. We left click on that, and here we are. So as you can see, we still have a campus map here. We have our nodes here. We have our edges here. And as you can see, these are Excel files, and even the background is a PNG file. So for example, if there is a change in the campus, let's say a new building or a new road, or let's say the route has been changed, or let's say a different university or a different place want to implement it, they can very easily by changing these files. For example, this is the Excel file of the nodes. As you can see, these can be clearly modified easily. I'm just gonna close it. And now the main part, I'm gonna open the application. Okay, so I'm gonna say run anyways. And here we go. We are inside our application. I'm gonna increase the size, make it full window so it's easy to view. Okay, so as you can see, these are our nodes and these are our edges. The nodes perfectly align with the main buildings. For example, this is the basketball stadium. This is the Rock. This is the Spirit Park. This is the Union Complex, and this is the Cook Library, and everything on campus. All the major buildings that we have. So, for example, let's say a student has a class 5 minutes after one class and he's in a rush. He wants to find the shortest path between two buildings. Let's say I am in the here. The student is here, and the student wants to go to the polymer science building. So he wants to find the shortest path. So in order to do this, we will click left click here from Spirit Park. Let's say he's like around Spirit Park. So left click on the Spirit Park icon or the Spirit Park node, and then right click on the polymer science building. And then he's basically gonna press R. And this blue line here shows the shortest path between Spirit Park and the polymer science building. Uh, this basically makes the life of the students a lot easier because since now they can much easily find the most efficient path and go to their class in time, which some students have a lot of difficulty with. Here, as you can see, we have a lot of controls that we can use and the description of them. One feature is that we can zoom in and out, and we can basically zoom in and out anywhere we want. So this basically helps us. If someone cannot see them out clearly, they can zoom in and see clearly where they are. If you, for example, also we have the rename option. Let's say this the Pearl Place. It changed to, let's say, game place. So we basically press F2 and we change the name. So Pearl Place changed to Gamers Place. And we press Enter. It has now changed to Gamers Place, as you can see. Also, if anyone wants to delete unknown, they can press it, and for delete, they can press the L button and it's gone. We have the save options as well. We have the reload options as well. If you want to, let's say now, let's say a building has been demolished and it's no longer there. So we can delete a node just like this. So let's say Gamer's Place has been demolished, unfortunately. We select this and press delete. It's gone. Now let's say we have a new building right here. So basically we come here with our pointer and press N. So it's a new node, a new building. And we rename this place, let's say Coders Coffee House. And we have a new building. And now, since we have to go to this building, we have to add the paths. The paths are our edges. So in order to add an edge, it says we have to press E, then click this building. And let's say we have to find the shortest path between its nearest building that we want to go to. So we go to that nearest node and we right click. Just like that, we have our new node. So let's say if I'm at the Coders Coffee House and I want to go to the Moffitt Health Center. So I left click this, I right click this, and then I press R. This blue line exactly shows where I have to go exactly in order to get to Moffitt in the shortest possible time and covering the shortest distance. Our group feels like this will be a very useful interactive GUI based map which will help students and other people in our campus to find the shortest map. As international students for the first time coming in this university, we felt the need for a better map on our campus which will show us where to go in the shortest time, because since our campus is very big, I hope, and actually we all hope, that this map will help everyone to save a lot of time throughout their day. And now with every feature introduced, I would like to end this video. But before I end this video, I would like to thank everyone who has watched this video. And I really hope that you all enjoyed our project, seeing us do it. Thank you, everyone, and enjoy your Thanksgiving.